friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Creative Shiva AIO. I am Shiva Sharma. Today I am going to tell you how to make a calculator in Microsoft Visual Studio. So let's get started. Firstly, we have to click on Microsoft Visual Studio. After clicking Microsoft Visual Studio, we have to open a new project in this and browse a location in which you have to save it and click on OK. After clicking OK, this type of form will appear. In this form, we have to make a calculator. So firstly, we have to take a menu strip. First one we will keep as file, and second will be keep about. In file option I will keep exit, only exit. Okay, on exit I will keep code close, simple, and then save it. Again go in about option, write a message box, bracket open, apostrophe. This application is for mathematical calculator. Full stop, apostrophe, bracket close, and again save it. This is all about menu strip. Now we have to rename the form 1, which I will keep calculator. After renaming, save it, and border style I will keep fixed 3D, and the starting position will be center screen, and the maximize box will be false, and then again save it. This is all about settings and menu strip. Now the second will be calculator. Firstly we have to take 2 digit. Firstly input first number, input second number, and third will be result. So we have to rename this. I will keep input first number, second will be input second number, and third will be result. After making the text of all the things, we have to create 3 text box, 1, 2 and 3. After that we have to drag in upside, again drag it here. But this is 2, this is 3, so we have to keep it down. Again this down, this will we have to keep on upward. This will appears. Now do the decoration. This, after that this, text box 1 dot text equals to apostrophe apostrophe. Again, text box 2 dot text equals to apostrophe apostrophe. Text box 3 equals dot text equals to apostrophe. This is all about clear button. And now we have to make a formula. So text box 3, 2 and 1. We have a result in text box 3. So here we have to write text box 3 dot text is equals to value text box 1 dot text bracket close plus value bracket open text box 2 dot text bracket close. This is the formula of addition. Again, subtraction, we will copy the additions and then paste on here. In plus option we have to write minus and save it. Go again, click on multiply, again paste it. In plus option we have to write multiply, save it, go again back, click on divide, again paste, and in plus space we have to write divide and save it, go back and click on run. Firstly save and then run. After clicking run, we have to see about this application is for mathematical calculator. Okay, click on OK. Go to file option. Here the exit is there. So firstly we have to try 2 plus 2 equals to 4, minus will be 0, multiply will be 4 and divide will be 1. In clear, if I will click clear, it will be clear. Yes, it is working. Go to exit. We have exited the application. So this is all about how to make calculator in Microsoft Visual Studio. Next video I will show you how to make 3-digit number, 4-digit number, 5-digit number calculator in VB.NET. So bye bye, take care.